In this tutorial, you will learn how to replace the printer's Platen roller. Eject the media cartridge if present. Set the power switch to off. Let the printhead cool before touching it. Open the upper cover. Touch the metal tab on the top of the printhead to ground yourself before continuing this procedure. Lift the printhead up using the metal tab. Rotate the two green arms on each side of the Platen roller and lift straight up. Align the new Platen roller over the mounting location with the gear on the left side. Push the Platen roller into the recess with the arms up. Swing the roller arms down flat. Align the two tabs on the bottom of the printhead and lower into place. Insert the card so that 1/4 inch is visible from the front of the printer. Close the upper cover. Press and hold the eject button. Set the power switch to on. Continue holding the eject button until the cleaning card starts moving. When the media status indicator flashes orange, the cleaning cycle is complete. Remove and discard the used cleaning card.